Penguins and their role in nature. Penguins are flightless marine birds adapted to aquatic and polar life. Primarily found in the southern hemisphere, penguins play a crucial role in marine ecosystems and food chains, significantly impacting biodiversity and ecological balance. This essay explores the distinctive characteristics of penguins, their habitat, ecological role, and the threats they face. Characteristics and habitat. There are about 18 species of penguins, with the emperor penguin, Aptenodytes firsteri, being the most well-known. Most species inhabit regions of Antarctica and Australia, though some can also be found along the coasts of South America and Africa. Penguins are adapted for swimming, with wings transformed into rigid flippers and hydrodynamic bodies, allowing them to move effortlessly in the water, where they spend most of their time. Penguins feed on fish, crustaceans, and squid, which they capture during their dives. They are efficient predators, capable of swimming at speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour, using their flippers for propulsion and their feet for steering. Their physiological adaptations include a thick layer of fat and insulated feathers, providing thermal protection in cold waters. Ecological role of penguins. Penguins play an essential role in the marine food chain. As top predators, they help regulate fish and crustacean populations, thus ensuring ecological balance. For instance, Magellanic penguins, Spheniscus magellanicus, in South America feed on anchovies, whose populations could grow uncontrollably without natural predators. In this way, penguins help maintain the health of marine ecosystems, preventing overpopulation of certain species and ensuring biological diversity. Additionally, penguins contribute to nutrient cycles in the oceans. Their guano, rich in nutrients, fertilizes the water and soil around penguin colonies, stimulating the growth of algae and other photosynthetic organisms. This process helps sustain the productivity of marine ecosystems and supports food webs. Importance of penguins for biodiversity and research. Penguins are important biological indicators because they respond quickly to environmental changes. Monitoring penguin populations can provide valuable information about the health of marine ecosystems and the impact of climate change. For example, the decline in emperor penguin populations in Antarctica has been linked to changes in food availability caused by global warming and the reduction of ice sheets. Research on penguin behavior and ecology has contributed to understanding their adaptations to the aquatic environment and effective conservation strategies. Penguin conservation programs, which include protecting habitats and monitoring populations, are essential to prevent the extinction of these iconic species. Threats and conservation measures. Penguins face numerous threats, most of which are caused by human activities. Climate change is one of the most severe threats, affecting penguin habitats and food resources. Global warming causes ice melting and changes in fish distribution, leading to declines in penguin populations. Marine pollution, including oil spills and plastic accumulation, is another major threat. Penguins can ingest plastic or be affected by chemical pollution, compromising their health and reproductive capacity. Overfishing also reduces food availability for penguins, endangering their survival. Conservation measures include creating marine protected areas, regulating fishing, and reducing pollution. Captive breeding programs and reintroduction into natural habitats are also important strategies for conserving endangered species. Public awareness and the involvement of local communities in conservation efforts are essential for the long-term success of these measures. Conclusion. Penguins are remarkable birds with unique adaptations for aquatic life and a crucial role in marine ecosystems. They contribute to ecological balance and the health of oceanic biodiversity. However, penguins face numerous threats from human activities, and conservation efforts are essential to ensure their long-term survival. Protecting penguins and their habitats is not only a moral responsibility, but also an ecological necessity for maintaining the health of our planet's ecosystems.